Here's how Klozer's Google Sheet Sync works, making your work easy and fast. First, you connect your Google Sheet with Klozer. This lets Klozer pull all your leads directly from the sheet. No need to upload files or type anything by hand. It saves you the hassle of uploading leads manually and keeping track of them. When you add or change a lead in the Google Sheet, Klozer updates the info automatically. Your team always has the newest leads ready to call. All lead details like names, phone numbers, and notes show up in Closer's dashboard. Agents can start calling right away using Closer's dialer, which works right from your computer. Plus, Closer lets you pull call reports back into your Google Sheet instantly. This means you can see how many calls were made, results, and other important data all in one place without extra work. This two-way sync keeps your leads and reports up to date, making your sales process smooth and smart. That's how Closer's Google Sheet Sync and instant reporting work simple, fast, and automatic.